Recently, there's been a lot of information by the news, the newspapers, and over the internet about abuse by teachers on children. This really concerns me because I have children. But what happens if it's your child? What do you do when you've learned that your child's been the subject of abuse or molestation by someone that they trust and that you've trusted, such as a teacher or an organization leader or a coach? First thing you want to do if you suspect that there's been some abuse is get your child away from that person right away. If he or she's in a classroom, make sure they're removed immediately, or if they're on a team, make sure they come off that team right away. The next thing is you need to go to law enforcement and report the abuse to the appropriate agency. Make sure they start an immediate investigation, that they get the right information to stop this person from causing abuse to your child or to anybody else for that matter. The next thing is make sure your child gets immediate medical attention. Don't allow this to fester. That child needs help. Even though he or she may not be hurt externally, internally and mentally, they need help to resolve the issues that they're going through. Then you need to go to the organization and report it to the supervisors or those who are responsible for the individual. If it's a school, go to a school superintendent, to a school board. Make sure they know of this problem so that they can stop it immediately and conduct a proper investigation. Then make sure you as a family gets counseling, because it's going to be tough. And you're going to need to be able to help your child work through these issues. Maybe you need to talk to your own religious leader, a pastor, a priest that can help guide you through this tough time. Finally, you probably need to seek legal counsel, because your child's going to need help. Financially, your child's going to need help down the road to pay for medical expenses, to help with treatment, and to make sure that child's properly compensated for the injuries and losses they've suffered at the hands of this person. This will be a very difficult time if this has happened to you. But you need to be strong, and you need to take that child to the right person and go through the right process to help properly compensate him or her for those losses, and to make sure they get a better path instead of the one that they were on.